Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We made it. We're at Brands Hatch. Let's get unloaded. Let's get noise tested. Let's get signed on. And let's see if this will make it to the end of the day. Stick around to find out. Are you as nervous as me? Right, we are checked in, we are noise tested, the nerves are kicking in. We're just going for our pre-race wee, and then I will see you on the sighting laps. Okay guys, so welcome along to my first ever track day vlog. We're just queuing up here, waiting to get out for the sighting laps. Now, I don't normally record sighting laps. They're not particularly interesting normally, but seeing as this was the first time the car had basically moved since changing the engine and obviously doing timing belt, timing chains, all that other good stuff, I thought I'd just record it just in case anything good happened or anything interesting happened or anything blew up or anything fell off. So let's get out there. Okay, here goes guys, sighting laps. First time this car has seen the track since the new engine. I don't normally film sighting laps, but who knows what's going to happen. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Obviously sighting laps, nothing too major. Bit of a nasty vibration under braking, but got to get these brakes bedded in. So this was my first sort of indication that something was a bit wrong. First time I touched the brake pedal, I got quite a horrible vibration through the car. And also as I turn right here around clearways, I feel the car just kind of feel a bit loose. I think it's the best way to describe it. So annoyingly, I was all mic'd up in the car and I had visions of just commentating these whole laps the whole time I was going around. But at this point I was sort of too busy concentrating on what I thought was some sort of brake issue. And then you'll see here, the next time I turn right into clearways, bearing in mind I'm only doing about 30 or 40 mile an hour, the car pretty much just decides to go straight on. So at this point I decide to call the sighting laps early and come into pits. So I pull into the garage, not entirely sure what to expect. Give the car a quick check over, and this is what we find. Well, that was a close one. I'd basically forgotten to do the ball joint bolts up after I'd taken it off. I think it was when I was fitting the engine back in, I had an issue trying to get the drive shaft in or something stupid like that. So I'd totally forgotten I'd even taken that ball joint off. So when I was checking all the nuts and bolts, checking I'd tightened everything up, I didn't check those ones. But we got away with it, I think. Okay, let's try that again. Crisis averted, hopefully. Easily done, forgetting to do a couple of bolts up, I suppose. But I'm glad I came in when I did. Didn't finish off the sighting laps. It has just opened, so it's very busy out there. But we'll just take it nice and steady. Right, front of the queue, next one out. Let's see what happens. Couldn't really concentrate on anything other than the steering feeling weird the last time out, so let's see how the engine feels this time. Note to self, no more finger tightening bolts. So just a nice steady session to begin with. Nothing particularly interesting happens in this session. We do experience my first indication that the clutch is playing up a little bit though. I'll just play a few little highlights from this session. Brakes are feeling good this time. Just get out of the way for this Caterham. Now listen to the engine as I accelerate onto the straight. Initially I thought the clutch had just gone altogether. You can hear it slipping, so I was trying to accelerate away. So we called it for this session, went back to the garage and gave the clutch a little bleed. Okay, so session number 2 coming up. You can see from the times on the left hand side, we're going to start to get a little bit quicker each lap. So let's just enjoy some highlights. So this was my first kind of push lap of the evening. So I was actually about to call an end to that session, but then Mark appeared in the 350. So I thought, why not chase him for a lap? And it's actually ended up being my best lap of the evening. So let's just enjoy this lap in full. So it's been an eventful night for all the cars. My car's had its little clutch issue. Ben's Mini, he's had a bit of rubbing on his tyre. So he's calling it a night. Got a little bit of rubbing coming out of Paddock Hill. I've had an oil leak on this TT, but that's all fixed, going well. And the 350's out there lapping somewhere. The 350's still out there pounding the laps in. Had a small oil leak, but we've sorted that out. Here it comes now. There we go. Okay, final session of the evening. I took a passenger out in this session, and obviously the camera angle isn't the best when there's a passenger there, but we'll see what highlights we can pick up. This ends up being the last lap of the evening. Another sub-minute lap, so not too bad. But yeah, we'll just let this one play out. Right, that's going to bring an end to our track sessions for tonight. As I'm about to say in the outro, this was my first kind of attempt at a vlog of a track day. I actually found it really difficult to get as much content as I wanted to, and to try and make it interesting or entertaining anyway. So yeah, apologies if it was a bit rubbish. I will try and do better next time. We've got another track day at the end of the month, so yeah, we'll try again then. If you do have any feedback, any ideas or whatever to make it any more sort of engaging, please do let me know in the comment section. There's 10 minutes or so left of the day, so I'm going to start packing up, and yeah, we'll go from there. Right guys, that's going to do us for today. We're all loaded up on the truck. Fairly successful day, I would say, overall. A few clutch issues, a couple of self-inflicted issues with not doing some bolts up, but overall a good fun session. Engine felt strong, car felt okay, but yeah, a little bit of work to do. Hopefully guys, you enjoyed this content. This is the sort of the first ever video I've done outside of the comfort of my own driveway, so apologies if I was a bit rubbish. But hopefully it was all good. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did and you enjoy this sort of content and you want to see some more of it, please consider subscribing, and please, it would really help me out as well, hit that like button, give me a comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much.